Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the Lopez voice assistant settlement and answering the big question, is it a legit opportunity to claim some money or is it just another scam? If you've received an email about it or just curious, stay tuned as we break it all down for you. Quick disclaimer, everything in this video is based on public research and my personal opinion. I'm not offering legal advice, just sharing what's out there about the settlement. If you've gotten an email with the subject line Lopez, a voice assistant class action settlement, don't be too quick to dismiss it. According to the Verge, it's likely a notification that you're owed part of a $95 million payout from a class action lawsuit. The case revolves around allegations that Apple violated user privacy by recording Siri-enabled conversation and sharing those recordings with third-party contractors. This lawsuit, Lopez v. Apple Incorporated or Inc., dates back to 2019 and Apple has now agreed to settle the case. Though they've denied any wrongdoing, the good news is if you owned a Siri-enabled device like an iPhone, iPad, Mac, HomePod, or Apple Watch between September 17, 2014 and December 31, 2024, and had issues with Siri activating during private conversations, you might be eligible to claim part of the $95 million. You can claim up to $100 or $20 per eligible device for up to 5 devices. And you have until July 2, 2025 to submit your claim through the official settlement website. However, there are some concerns. Some users on Reddit have reported not receiving the settlement email even though they have multiple Siri-enabled devices. One commenter said, I never got an email to any of the 5mac.com email addresses we have, and we've had these email addresses for 20 plus years. If you haven't received the email, you might want to check if your devices are registered properly or if there's another way to track your eligibility. So is the Lopez voice assistant settlement legit? Based on the details and the fact that Apple has agreed to settlement for $95 million, it seems legitimate. However, if you haven't received an email, it's a good idea to double-check your eligibility or visit a settlement website to make sure you're not missing out. It's always smart to exercise caution when dealing with any kind of legal settlement. If it seems too good to be true, always do a little extra digging, especially when personal data is involved. Now, if you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.